The Porsche Cayenne Electric is Porsche's new high-performance electric SUV. It combines sports car performance, luxury comfort, advanced EV technology, and off-road capability. Battery and platform. The Cayenne Electric uses Porsche's advanced PPE platform with 800-volt architecture, 113 kWh lithium-ion battery, 192 large pouch cells, 800V electrical system, up to 400 kilowatts DC fast charging, 10% to 80% charging in under 16 minutes, wireless inductive home charging option. Paul Tan's Automotive News +1. Performance details. Model. Power. 0 to 100 km per hour. Top speed. Cayenne Electric. 435 horsepower. 4.8 seconds. 230 km per hour. Cayenne S Electric. 657 horsepower. 3.6 to 3.8 seconds. 250 km per hour. Cayenne Turbo Electric. 1,139 to 1,156 horsepower. 2.4 to 2.5 seconds. 260 km per hour. The Turbo Electric is currently the most powerful production Porsche ever made. Porsche Newsroom +2. Exterior design. The Cayenne EV keeps Porsche styling but adds modern EV elements. HD matrix LED headlights. Illuminated Porsche rear logo. Frameless doors. Active aerodynamics. Flush surfaces for better airflow. Adaptive rear spoiler. Aero wheels. Drag coefficient as low as 0.23 on coupe version. Porsche Newsroom +1. Interior details. The cabin is futuristic and very premium. Screens and dashboard. Curved OLED Flow display. 14.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Optional 14.9-inch passenger display. Augmented reality head-up display. Physical climate and volume controls. AI voice assistant. Third-party apps and streaming support. YouTube +1. Seats and comfort. Sports seats with massage option. Heated and ventilated seats. Premium leather or animal-free materials. Extended wheelbase for extra rear legroom. Panoramic variable opacity glass roof. YouTube +1. Ambient lighting. Interactive mood lighting. Multicolor ambient LEDs. Illuminated dashboard trim. Door and footwell lighting. Porsche.com. Suspension and handling. Porsche focused heavily on driving dynamics. Adaptive air suspension standard. Porsche active ride system. Rear axle steering. Porsche torque vectoring plus. Porsche ceramic composite brakes, optional. The SUV is designed for sporty road driving and off-road capability. Porsche Newsroom +1. Range. Estimated WLTP range. Base model, up to 642 kilometers. Cayenne S, up to 653 kilometers. Turbo, around 620 plus km. Porsche Newsroom +1. Storage and space. Rear cargo, up to 1,588 liters. Front trunk about 90 liters. Towing capacity up to 3.5 tons. YouTube +1. Community reactions. Many Porsche fans praised. The Porsche Cayenne Electric uses one of the most advanced EV battery systems Porsche has ever made. Battery details. Battery capacity. Gross battery capacity, 113 kilowatt-hours. High-density lithium-ion battery. 192 large pouch cells. 6 interchangeable battery modules. Battery integrated into the vehicle floor structure. Porsche developed many battery modules in-house for better performance and cooling. Porsche Newsroom +1. Battery chemistry. The battery uses advanced materials. Graphite silicon anode, NMCA cathode, nickel manganese cobalt aluminum. 86% nickel content for higher energy density. Aluminum reinforced cell structure. This improves fast charging, heat resistance, power delivery, battery durability. Paul Tan's Automotive News +1. 800-volt architecture. The Cayenne Electric uses an 800V electrical system. Benefits: ultra-fast charging, lower heat generation, better efficiency, high performance during repeated acceleration. This technology is similar to the Porsche Taycan and racing EV systems. Paul Tan's Automotive News +1. Charging details. DC fast charging. Maximum charging speed, up to 400 kilowatts. 10% to 80% in under 16 minutes. Around 300 kilometers range added in 10 minutes. AC charging. Standard AC charging, 11 kilowatts. Optional 22 kilowatts onboard charging. AC charging ports on both sides of the SUV. Wireless charging. Optional wireless inductive charging. Automatically starts charging when parked over the charging plate. Porsche Newsroom +2. Battery cooling system. Porsche added advanced thermal management. Double-sided cooling plates. Direct oil cooling for rear motor. Intelligent temperature control. This helps stable performance, longer battery life, better charging speed, reduced overheating. A Reddit battery discussion also highlighted the top and bottom cooling plate design. Reddit +1. Range. Model. Estimated WLTP range. Cayenne Electric Porsche Newsroom +2. Battery cooling system. Porsche added advanced thermal management. Double-sided cooling plates. Direct oil cooling for rear motor. Intelligent temperature control. This helps stable performance, longer battery life, better charging speed, reduced overheating. A Reddit battery discussion also highlighted the top and bottom cooling plate design. Reddit +1. Range. Model. Estimated WLTP range. Cayenne Electric. Up to 642 kilometers. Cayenne S Electric. Up to 653 kilometers. Cayenne Turbo Electric. Around 620 plus km. Real-world highway testing reached over 560 kilometers on a single charge. Paul Tan's Automotive News +1. Performance with battery. Variant. Power. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Base Cayenne Electric. 435 horsepower. 4.8 seconds. The interior of the upcoming Porsche Cayenne Electric is one of the most high-tech cabins Porsche has ever made. It combines a sporty Porsche cockpit with a futuristic digital layout, premium materials, and luxury comfort features. Main interior highlights. New curved flow display design across the dashboard. Large OLED digital screens with a driver-focused layout. Sporty GT-style steering wheel. Premium leather, Racetex, carbon fiber, wood, and aluminum trims. Advanced ambient lighting and mood modes. Bigger rear passenger space with electric seat adjustment. Panoramic smart glass roof with variable transparency. The cabin is designed to feel both sporty and luxurious. Porsche says it is the largest digital display surface ever used in a Porsche. Porsche Newsroom Plus 2. Dashboard and screens. The dashboard is dominated by the new curved OLED Flow display system. Key screens include 14.25-inch digital instrument cluster, curved center OLED touchscreen, optional 14.9-inch passenger display, augmented reality head-up display. The center screen flows down into the center console, creating a futuristic cockpit look. Porsche still keeps some physical buttons for climate and volume controls. Motor1.com+1. Seats and comfort. The seats are designed for both performance driving and long-distance comfort. Features include electrically adjustable front and rear seats, heated and ventilated seating, massage seat options, surface heating in armrests and door panels, more rear legroom than previous Cayenne models. The rear seats can move between comfort mode and cargo mode electronically. Porsche Newsroom Plus 1. Interior materials. Porsche offers many customization choices. Leather interiors, leather-free Racetex options, Pepita fabric pattern inspired by classic Porsche cars, open-pore carbon trim, brushed aluminum, natural elmwood trim. New interior colors include magnesium gray, lavender, sage gray, deep sea blue accents. There are more than 12 interior combinations available. Porsche Newsroom Plus 1. Lighting and technology. The Cayenne Electric adds advanced mood and lighting systems. Multicolor ambient lighting. Mood modes that adjust lighting, climate, sound, and seats. AI voice assistant. Porsche digital key support. Smartphone and smartwatch access. The panoramic roof can switch between clear and matte modes electronically. Porsche Newsroom Plus 2. Sporty Porsche feel. Even with all the digital tech, Porsche kept the sporty SUV character. Driver-focused cockpit. Thick sports steering wheel. Low seating position. Premium tactile controls. Performance-inspired design. Many enthusiasts like the futuristic style, though some Reddit users think there are too many screens. Others say the mix of screens and physical controls feels modern and premium. Reddit Plus 2. Others say the mix of screens and physical controls feels modern and premium. Reddit Plus 2.